Are you looking for the best 1000W power supply 2025? In this video we will look at some of best 1000W power supply 2025. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 5. AGT 1000 watts power supply. The AGT 1000 watts power supply is an excellent choice for budget-conscious PC builders, offering a great balance of affordability and strong performance. It is designed for high-performance PCs and comes with an 80+ gold certification, ensuring up to 90% efficiency under typical loads. This makes it a reliable option for users who need consistent power output and want to save on energy during long usage periods. The AGT series is focused on essential functionality, making it a practical alternative for those who want solid performance without unnecessary extras. Its fully modular design makes cable management easy, helping to create a cleaner interior while improving system airflow. This efficient design keeps temperatures lower, even when the system is under heavy load. The power supply is equipped with a quiet 120mm fan, providing excellent heat dissipation without adding extra noise. This makes the PSU a good fit for both gaming rigs and professional workstations, where minimal noise is important. Additionally, it includes a comprehensive suite of protections such as overvoltage protection, OVP, undervoltage protection, UVP, and short-circuit protection, SCP, to keep your components safe from power issues. Number 4. MSI MPGA 1000G. MSI's MPGA 1000G power supply stands as a cornerstone for next-generation PC setups, boasting features that meet both current and upcoming hardware requirements. It includes a native 16-pin PCIe connector and meets ATX 3.0 standards, making it highly suitable for the latest PCIe 5.0 graphics cards. This ensures it is an ideal solution for users looking to enhance their systems with advanced GPUs, promising smooth and robust performance. With a design that allows only necessary cables to be connected, the fully modular PSU simplifies the building process and boosts internal aesthetics, along with system airflow. The clean configuration aids in optimal thermal management, which is critical during high-demand tasks. The 135mm fluid dynamic bearing fan contributes to this quiet efficiency, making it highly suitable for shared or serene working spaces. Emphasizing reliability and efficiency, the MPGA 1000G is 80+ gold certified, ensuring that it delivers over 90% efficiency at typical loads. This high efficiency is not just about power saving, it's about offering stable and dependable power delivery to high-performance components, reducing stress on the system while enhancing the overall longevity of the setup. The third product on our list is the Number 3. Seasonic Focus SSR 1000X. The Focus SSR 1000X power supply is designed for its compact size, exceptional efficiency, and unwavering reliability, making it ideal for users who require optimal performance in limited spaces. It is 80+ gold certified and operates with up to 90% efficiency at half load. This capability is crucial for significantly reducing energy consumption and managing heat output, both of which are essential for maintaining system stability during extended periods of high-intensity computing. With a fully modular design, the SSR 1000X allows for significant flexibility in cable management, enabling a tidy installation that not only looks good but also promotes better airflow through the system. This feature is crucial for users who prioritize a clean and efficient build environment. Additionally, the hybrid silent fan control offers 3 operational modes: fanless, silent, and cooling, providing optimal noise reduction and thermal control based on the system's current needs. Despite its compact design, this power supply unit delivers significant power, supporting high-demand components and GPUs, suited for gamers and professionals. The robust protection features, including overtemperature, overvoltage, and short-circuit protection, ensure the longevity and safety of both the power supply and the components it powers. Number 2. Corsair RM1000X. The RM1000X is another heavyweight in the 1000-watt power supply category, building on the reputable RMX series with several enhanced features tailored for modern high-end builds. This model is specifically designed to meet the demands of the latest hardware, including support for the PCIe Gen 5 platform, making it a future-proof choice for upcoming upgrades and new technology integrations. Corsair's approach to noise reduction is evident in the RM1000X, which includes a 0 RPM fan mode. This feature allows the fan to remain off at low and medium loads, ensuring near-silent operation, which is a significant advantage for users who prefer a quiet working environment. The fully modular design further complements this by enabling precise cable management, reducing clutter and improving airflow inside the case, critical for maintaining optimal operating temperatures without noise. With 100% Japanese 105 degrees CS US rated capacitors, ERS known for their resilience, the RM1000X sets the bar high in reliability, especially during intense high-load operations. It's engineered not just to provide power but to maintain stability and performance when it matters most. For professionals and gamers who demand the best, the 10-year warranty further cements its reputation as a power supply you can trust. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product title name is the Number 1. EVGA 1000G5. EVGA has designed the 1000-watt Supernova G5 with an 80+ gold certification, ensuring exceptional energy efficiency. This feature is essential for reducing operating costs and maintaining system stability even under heavy loads. The certification guarantees that it operates at 91% efficiency in typical use, making it a top choice for users who value both performance and energy savings in their demanding systems. In terms of design, the fully modular setup of the Supernova is a boon for PC builders. It allows for removing unnecessary cables from the setup, which not only clears space for better airflow but also simplifies the building process. This feature is particularly helpful during upgrades or when tweaking components, as it minimizes the clutter inside the case and maximizes the aesthetic and functional aspects of the system setup. Offering long-term reliability, EVGA's 10-year warranty and built-in protections such as OVP and UVP are integral to this power supply, ensuring it stands the test of time. With a 135mm fluid dynamic bearing fan, the unit runs smoothly and quietly, even under load, so users can focus on their work or gaming without distractions. This combination of robust protection and whisper-quiet operation makes it ideal for those seeking durability and a calm environment. That's all for our list of the 5 best 1000-watt power supplies on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products, and remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.